getting on? And welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I'm going to kick this video off by saying a massive thank you to you guys, the viewers, the subscribers, because I've now hit 3,000 subscribers. It might only be little, but it's massive to me, and yeah, just want to say thank you very much. Yeah, I've put out I think 167 videos now, and I've got 3,000 subscribers. So although I don't put out that many videos compared to some other people, yeah, we're getting there. It's just marvellous to know that you, the viewers, the subscribers, are interested to see what we get up to and how we do things here on this farm in Cambridgeshire. But anyway, we have been cutting wheat for about 4 days now, I think. We went over to farm 2. We've had 2 days over there, cut all the wheat, filled that shed up, which you see in the last video. That's now full up. Well, I can probably fit 2 more trailer load in there, but I brought 2 trailer load back here because when we started I brought the headlands back here, so because they were a bit damp. I think I was 16 moisture, I think, when we first started over there. So I brought the headlands back here on 2 trailers to be dried. So that's tipped in the wet shed. We're now filling up a dry shed. So we've cut the headlands in this field, and then we've decided, because the sun was out, we started in this field. This field's after potatoes. It's had that much fertiliser on it from the potatoes. It's gone flat, and we needed the sun out. I know it's not a sunny day, but we're going to try and knock this out because Dad's having to go slow and sort of claw it up onto the header because it's that flat, and there's a lot of dust because it's got the header right down. But yeah, we're getting there. We're about, if we get this field done, we're about halfway through the wheat, or a little bit more than halfway through the wheat, which is good. And we've got the oats to do next weekend. Looks like it's going to be red hot, so we're going to have a go at the oats. But yeah, we are cracking on, and I don't know if we're going to get a shower today or not, but I'll tell you, it does not look great. It don't look fantastic. Dad's had his lorries go out for barley. I've had 1 load of barley go. I've got another 2 lorries next week to load up for Frontier. Yeah, so I've been just catching over at farm 2. Mum's been unloading, then the lorries turn up, so I had to come all the way back, load them up. And yeah, I'm amazed how much we've got done with a little bit of sunshine's come out and just helped us crack on. Someone was asking the yield. Well, we haven't got a fancy combine that gives us a yield monitor, and we don't really know till we get it in the shed, until it's loaded up on lorries, how much we've done and how many acres, you know, we've got. So can't really say at the moment, but he can do 2 rounds in this field. Pretty sure it's a 15-acre field, and he's full on. He's got full tank. So Dad seems happy with the yield, which is good, even though you can see the darker bits in the field where it was too wet to get a fly spray on in the winter, and the wheat's gone a really dark colour there where it just affected it. When it was still green, when it was growing, it was going yellow, where obviously we couldn't put the fly spray on, but it's yielding all right. She's just clocked over 300 hours. T618, yeah, all right, there's an error code come up. I know there's a light come up. I had the dealership ring me up, when was it? Yesterday. You've got an error code come up on your tractor. I was like, yeah, it's come up about 18 times. They logged into the telematics on the screen, so they can all see it at the dealership, what we're doing. They can basically, I think, pretty sure they can basically see that whole screen. I know it's flickering, it's just a camera. And they diagnosed the problem, what it was. So when I was spraying the beans with this tractor, the front linkage is on the green spool valve, and the front linkage dropped down. Obviously I'm sitting here like this, I don't know that the front linkage was dropped down, and I only noticed it when I turned around at the end and I made a mess of the tram line, knocked loads of beans down, and then lifted it back up and it kept doing it. And then I found out how to, you can lock the spool valve off. So if you're going back, remote valves, lock, you can see I've locked the green spool valve, locked the brown, because the brown's on the tailgate, so I can lock that off so I don't get no mishaps. But I locked the spool valve and it's not done it again. So apparently something's wrong with that spool valve, remote valve 1, and the dealership could tell me that just by logging into the screen. So that's pretty clever, I thought. They've ordered the part, and then when it rains or when it's convenient for us, they'll come out and fit it. It's just lucky it's not, you know, affected the whole spool valve system, I suppose. It's not a major issue, but it's just a hiccup that you don't expect with a new tractor. But everything goes wrong. New tractors go wrong. We've had 2 issues with this so far. Just hope it weren't built on a Friday, that's all I can say. That's all I can say. Anyway, enough waffling, let's do some combining.
Tins of fruit, pineapple chunks, and you think, oh, well, it was in the I said, but it's a 200 seat, it's perfect.
Don't tell your manager. Inspire.
Well, he said he might mention it at the next meeting. Honestly, it was like discovering a treasure trove.
And it's raining. I don't think it's going to be a lot. It's sunny over there. It's just that we're under this cloud here. Just enough so all the dust sticks all on your tractors and on your windscreen. Yeah, thanks. Here comes Mother in the truck. 12 minutes past 12. It's dinner time. What a motor. last time you see this shed, she was full up with barley. It's now not. It's getting filled up with wheat. This was the shed that we was shoveling up the barley from and putting it in the dryer. So that's all dry and now in the front shed. There's a little bit of, excuse me, rubbish in this sample. A little bit of chaff and a few different bits. Because Dad's header was right on the floor in that field because it was flat. He was trying to scratch up every last possible bit of wheat. Alrighty then, we got that one done. That one over there is done. We're in this one, and then we've got 2 more fields of wheat to do. I know I think there's 2 or 3 places in this field where there is just Summit's dug a massive hole in 3 different places, and it's right on this seam that runs through the field where it's gone flat, where it's an excellent bit of soil. And it's somewhere, so Dad's just got to keep an eye out for that. But should be a better sample in this field because most of it's standing, so he's not clawing it from the bottom. But it just looks terrible over there. Look, still massive badger hole. And whether it's badger or a fox, I don't know, but chuck no end of soil out. Got 3 of them in this field. Anyway, this field of wheat, after all seed rate, little bit of black grass in it, but it looks insane. It's looked good ever since we drilled it. But yeah, like I say, a bit of black grass, but pretty sure Dad is going to put this into barley. Not sure. Not sure. Rain alarm. Can you see it? 82%. That way. Look at the sky. Just started spitting about over here. Dad's just making another opening over there. Why? At the start of the day, it said it was going to be dry. No, I don't know. Everyone's combine it there anyway. New Holland over there, New Holland over there, New Holland there. Here's one for you. Does New Holland make the best combine? Put it in the comments. Alright then, we just got rained off. We've just had an hour in the kitchen having a cup of coffee, and now we're going to get back cutting because everyone else has got their combines out and it's dry and it's windy. Insane. Just had quite a heavy downpour, rain, and then all of a sudden sun's out. Well, not sun's out, it's still a bit cloudy, but it's all just dried up. Just shows you the type of harvest it is this year.
Bournemouth against West Ham. Brighton have scored a 3rd, but Luton have also scored a penalty, their first goal on returning to the Premier League. Colton Morris scoring a penalty.
Just before it started raining, we actually had the header drive belt come off because we got some bad wheelings in this field, this tram line there, and in the other field, really bad wheelings. And Dad disengaged the header and then hit the bump and as he disengaged it, he hit the bump and it just flicked off. And what a pain that was to get back on. Yeah, it's in like a little guard thing, and you have to undo this guard to get it on. We were trying to do it without undoing this guard just for quickness, but yeah, we got there. It's back on, we're running. When we get this done and getting another field over there, that'll be good. Well, I really did think we might finish that field, but there's Daddy's full up. I hope he can put his tank lids on, and it is all coming across over there. Marvellous. Absolutely marvellous. Yeah, well, it's pretty much stopped now. Just a little shower just to buggy up basically. But I'll end this little video here. I've got a little bit more done. Nearly done the wheat. 2 more fields and a little bit left to do. But there you go, is what it is. So let me know how everyone's getting on in the comments. Put it in the comments if you're cutting. And yeah, let's hear what you got to say. But thank you very much for watching. Yet again, thank you very much for the subscribing. Yeah, we'll see what we'll get up to in the next video. Thank you very much. See you later. Ta.